Hey guys, today we're going to be putting some bird food in, and it's mixed bird food, so multiple birds will come, even red birds. And you know what red birds mean? Money. So manifest and wish. Manifest and wish. This is gonna be so much fun. Lots of birds are gonna come. I know how to do it.
Oh, the string is away. It could be all over our yard. It's falling from the bottom.
Okay.
If you want to join our gang, subscribe to our channel, leave us a huge thumbs up, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.
Bye, gang. We're best friends. Here. What?